Hello, welcome to Hello, welcome to Rachel T's Reviews. Me and my son Carter. Oh goodness, we are going to open up this Kiwicrate. Now these go by different months or different years. So my daughter is about to turn 7, but she's in the 4 to 8. I think it goes 4 to 8, maybe 4 to 7 year range. So her box is called a Kiwicrate. They have different names for each of their crates, and some of them are just, they have like craft ones, some of them are just science for like older kids. But this is going to be the last Kiwicrate that we get for a while. This is our 3rd one, I think. We have not even started a single one of them. We just don't have time yet. So I did cancel. Goodness. I did cancel. Actually, this one looks really cute, but I don't know. We'll go back to it someday. Probably when she's a little older, though. So this one here we'll actually really enjoy doing, because it's very crafty and fun. So these, we get to make some creepy little organs out of these, and then they're going to give us string. There's a brain, see? And they're just double-sided, so basically it's got pre-cut holes. We're going to do that. Looks like we make a headband or something. Oh no, it's a stethoscope. You make your own stethoscope here with this little cheap headband and whatever. Here's the stuffing for all of the weird creepy organs, and I'm surprisingly really excited to do this. This is cute. It's like a doctor's note. It's a checkup form. Say hi, Carter. And it's got, you get to actually, the stethoscope will actually work. It comes with some tubing as well as other things. I'm not really sure what everything goes to, but we'll figure all that out. There's these little x-rays as well. That's really cool. You can make your own little x-ray papers. That's nifty. And they also have these body chart. Oh, this is a whole entire giant opening chart. This is like literally human size. Like, I'm just gonna unfold it this much. But this is the size of my daughter, pretty much, if she were to stand next to this. So that's really cool. My mom would absolutely love doing this with Eva. Maybe I should give it to her to do with Eva when she goes over there. Because my mom's a registered nurse now. She just got registered. So this is like a little comic. Oh, sorry. This is like a little comic about, you know, feeling sick, and then it talks about what is breathing, and talks about lungs and how they work. There's also separate little experiments to do here, and there's snack time, and you can make bones, like bone-shaped, what is it? Bone-shaped breadsticks. Cheesy bone breadsticks. That's really cute. Hi, buddy. And then hand to brain, so you gotta write left-handed and right-handed, and you gotta make, write the word red, right-handed and left-handed, and then you gotta draw those shapes, right-handed or left-handed, so you can see the difference. Try to connect the dots, right-handed or left-handed, and then you can see which of your hand is dominant, and it explains what that means. And then it's got like a little maze of, a digestion maze where food goes in the mouth, and then you go through the intestines and all that. You know the drill. But this one I think will actually do. It doesn't seem super time consuming, and I really like sewing, even though these are pre-poked holes and you just basically put a shoelace through it. It'll still be fun, and you'll have really good hand-eye coordination. So she'll be excited about that. You think Sissy will like it? Yeah, you think she'll like it? You think she'll like it? I think she'll like it. So that is Kiwicrate, and I believe that that's $20 a month. I'll look it up and post below, but I'm pretty positive that it's $20 per month, which really isn't bad considering that they plan a whole activity. They give you snack options as well. I wish they would include a snack. That would be even better. Yeah, so there's that. We're also going to be trying, so Date Night In. We haven't tried that version of Datebox yet, but we're planning on probably starting that one at some point. They have a Kids Night In version, which is basically like it plans activities for you and your kid or kids. And it includes a snack. It includes like an active activity, like running around doing something. It involves a craft. and each one will come with a book that's themed to each box. So I think that's really cool. And lately I feel like I've kind of been slacking on making time with my oldest because this guy takes up a lot of attention. So it'd be nice to have kind of something that she and I can do that's planned out and make something together and do something together. So if we end up getting one of those, I will make a separate video for that, but we will see. Again, so that was the Kiwicrate. Thank you.